Hello friends, today in our story time we are going to learn a story, The Rolling Race. A rabbit and a turtle were friends. The rabbit asked the turtle to run a race. The race started. The rabbit ran fast. After a while, the rabbit saw the turtle was far behind. So he decided to take a nap. He slept under a tree. The turtle kept on walking slowly. Suddenly, the rabbit woke up and saw the turtle on the winning line. The turtle was excited and called the rabbit for the swimming race. The rabbit was scared as he could not swim fast. The swimming race began. The turtle swam very fast. The rabbit could not. The rabbit luckily found a floating log and caught it and swam very fast. Meanwhile, the turtle was playing in the water. The rabbit reached faster than the turtle and won the race. Did you enjoy the story, children? If you do enjoy the story, please do subscribe my channel. This is Learners with Geetha. Thank you for watching.